YouTube, what's going on, man? Back with another video. I probably look stupid right now because I got this camera on top of my head. I look like an Arab, but it's all right, man. Bumming out, got the jacket, red shorts matched with the red seats. You already know, man. But yeah, man, I've been seeing a lot of POVs. We just about to hop in, do a little POV. Don't mind the mess. I'm literally getting it detailed in like a day or two. I just haven't had the time. I really hope this is recording right. So we about to find out. I'm too tall for this. But yeah, man, the kitty cat startup. How many miles I got left? Kind of low right now. I'm at 65, so might get gas when we get down to 30. All right, put this thing in reverse. Yes, sir. Put this thing in reverse. We probably gonna spin a lot. Oh man, yeah, we probably gonna spin a lot. I'm trying to get used to moving my head around with this thing on me. Probably gonna spin, but yeah, I'm at 11 miles per gallon right now. Let's put this thing in the SRT. I gotta make the video fun, you know. Just hitting it, bro. I probably shouldn't do that. The engine's like cold right now. So yeah, we gonna heat the engine up a little bit. I'm gonna actually keep it on eco, and we're gonna heat the engine up a little bit. Yeah, man. All right, so I'm on eco mode right now. I'm gonna let the engine kind of heat up a little bit. It's really cold, so I'm not gonna do no pulls just yet. So yeah, man, we're just gonna drive around. I guess let you guys hear the whine and everything. Where should I head on to? Where should I head to? Let's see. Gotta always look out for the cops, man. Man, I'll be like laying down when I drive. Let me know how y'all drive, but I'll be kind of like laying down basically. Everybody be talking about, bro, I don't know how you drive like that. You basically be laying down. I'm like, man, this is how I be driving, bro. Like, people be driving like this. If I was to drive like this, my head would be hitting the ceiling. Like, can't even do that. I gotta literally lean back all the way. Oof. Let the car heat up, man. It's super cold. That's how 45. So if I hit it, this thing gonna be spinning, bro. So, you know, just gonna let it heat up a bit. Like I said, heat it up a bit. I'm trying to see where I can go to. Like, where should I go to drive this thing? Let's see. All right, man, I had to stop recording. I just wanted to make sure the video was getting recorded. I took this thing off. Like, this headband feels weird, but you know, I do it for the video, man. Like, I'm trying to tell you, it feels really weird, but it's whatever, man. We gonna record this. So let me hop back in here. Dude, I'm literally like on 58 miles left, so I'm gonna have to put in some gas here soon. I feel really weird driving with this thing on. Look out for the cops, man. This thing is still not heated up yet. It's whatever. Oh, I actually know where we should go to drive this thing at. I got the perfect place, actually. I got the perfect place. Hopefully it's not too many cops around it right now. Right lane closed. Let me hop in the left lane then. Do y'all ever use your turning signals? Like, I rarely ever use this. Like, look, my boy right here using the turning signals. He's being a good Samaritan using the turning signals, letting me know. I'm the type of person, I'll just speed up and, you know what I'm saying? They get into work, man. They get into work. I'm hungry, bruh. Lunchtime, I'm hungry. All right, we're heating up a little bit. Getting the car heated up a little bit now. 57 miles. If you ever have had like a Scat or a Hellcat or any like fast car like that, you'll know, like, when you're around like this much and you just step on it, bro, it'll go from like 50 to 30 just like that. So probably hit like just like literally 2 or 3 pulls. But like I said, I'm trying to find the right spot to do it at though. I'm gonna put it on sport for now, just so you guys can hear the whine better. When I put it on sport, the whine sounds better. You guys like driving more on sport or track? All my Mopar people, let me know. Let me know what y'all like better. Sometimes I feel like a menace to society, but that's all right. Let's see if we can find any crazy looking car out here, man. I'm trying to see if we can find any car. Who's trying to race? I'm gonna put this back on because it feels weird. Hopefully I didn't change the angle too much, but I had to put it on. The thing was bothering my head like crazy. What y'all doing? What y'all on? People crossing the street and stuff. I don't know if that's a cop behind or what, or if it's just any other Dodge. I'm gonna put the windows down. Maybe you can hear the whine a little bit better. People probably hate me, bro. They like, what is this car doing behind me, bro? They probably hate me so much. All right, we gonna hop in here. Oh my God, my bad, guys. If that just messed up and shook the whole dang screen. This thing, I'm trying to tell you, bro, it's weird. Like I be moving. I'm a little bit tall, so on the taller end. So as soon as I go up to check my mirrors, I'll be hitting this thing. All right, we gonna hop in here. What's this guy doing? We got Tesla. I don't know what type of Tesla that is though. Let's go find out. What is that? C8? We got a C8 over there, guys. Nice little color. Get out the way. I got this Volkswagen in my way, man. This Jetta. That's a nice color Tesla, man. I like the color of it. Pretty nice. This Volkswagen is not moving, bro. It will not move. It will not move. This Tesla not helping either. Gotta make sure no cops. Let's go. Man, I'm trying to tell you, bro. Who else be going this crazy in traffic? What they got going on here? This car messed up. Red light. Red light. Oh, he towing it. He towing it. Man, while I'm at this stoplight, let me know what other type of videos you guys want to see. If you guys are messing with this type of content, man, let me know. Let me know. Oof, man, I'm hungry. What's y'all favorite food to eat? Drop in the comments below, man. I like that Arab food. I like that Arab food. I like my Cuban food too, man. All that exotic foreign food I love. I like eating it. GLE, or is that's a GLC? I be going crazy. I be going crazy, bro. Hey, by the way, this is all filmed in Mexico, man. I got all this is highly edited. I'm a master at editing videos, man. All this speed stuff, I'm really going like 30 miles an hour. Y'all just don't know. I'm really going like 30. That's the thing. I'm really going like 30 miles per hour, man. I'm gonna need to fill up soon. I might head back and turn around and go to BJ's. Cause, bro, even if you got the money, bro, be smart. Don't be spending at these crazy gas stations charging this much. If you get that 50, 60 cents, 70 cents, it starts adding up. That 50, 60 cent discount start adding up, man. So I would do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna hit a pull over there. It's a little bit more space, and then I'll turn around and get some gas. Ooh, you know what I should do, bro? I should see if my bro is here. I might pull up on him. Let's see if he's here. Oh, let me chill out. Let me chill out around this area, man. Let me chill out. I probably won't mess with him too much. He probably sleeping and stuff. Woof. Yeah, man. Just gonna chill. Just gonna chill. You know, probably shouldn't be hitting poles with this much miles left, but you know, YOLO. YOLO. Oh, God. I'm trying to tell you, man, I really be hitting the camera. All right, let's go. I'm trying to see a car I could cut up with. Ain't nobody really out here like that. This is Mercedes want to pull up beside me. I ain't gonna let them though. Should we keep going this way? Maybe. Maybe. Look at him, look at him, look at him. He wanna hit it. He wanna hit it. AMG C63. I like those cars, man. I don't like the soft top, but you know. We give him a little warning here. Give him a little warning. Who we are. I'm gonna turn around though. I'm about to run out of gas soon. What the heck is this on the road, bro? Could be the most random stuff on the road. I'm trying to tell you. All right, let's let this dude pass. That boy was speeding through that thing. All right. Got a car behind me. Is that a cop? I don't know. I don't know if that's a cop. So I'ma just wait. It's a Charger. I can't really see from here what it is. Is it just a regular Charger? Just a regular Charger, man. Daytona. I'm really going a little too crazy right now. I'm really going a little too crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Oh boy, we spun out there. We spun out like a mother right there, boy. We spun out. We spun out right there. We spun out. I'm telling you. That's why you gotta be careful, bro. I dropped the gear on that thing. Going all over the place, man. Woo. Crazy. All right, guys. So that was a quick little POV. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you guys want to see more content like this, definitely tap in and subscribe. Comment below what else you want to see, man. I'm here to, you know, please y'all, make y'all, you know, entertain y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if that angle was weird and maybe I should lower it some more. I don't know. But yeah, I got some fun little poles. I almost spun out like crazy there. Couldn't do nothing too crazy. I didn't find a road good enough for it. But yeah, man. You know what I want to do? I want to do like a dig. I haven't hit this thing from zero, so I wanna mess with the launch control. But yeah, guys, see you on the next video. Really grateful for you guys tuning in. Let's get to this 10K, baby.